A lot of people keep asking me about pH, and I think it's one of the most important things we deal with when we're talking about hair color. pH is part of our life, and anything that is liquid or moist has a pH, which means potential hydrogen. Now, when we're talking about hair color, anything that lifts, anything that has the ability to lighten the hair, whether we're told it's ammonia-free or whatever, anything that can lighten natural hair, whether it's a permanent color, a demi that's not really a demi that lifts, a lightener, a bleach, anything that can lighten the hair is alkaline. Okay? So alkalinity plays a very important part in what we do. What we have to do is realize that once the hair has been exposed to alkalinity, regardless of the conditioners or bonders we use, we cannot return the hair to its natural state. And a lot of you who've been in my classes over the years know I always say, once a steak is well done, I can't make it medium rare.